Welcome to the channel. So, quick question. Have you ever wondered, is trading options in the stock market truly profitable? Well, in this video, I'll explain to you how it can be. But one of the things you're going to need is a funded level 2 brokerage account so that you can trade options in the first place. You're also going to have to be able to buy 100 shares of a given stock or ETF. I'd also recommend not necessarily buying meme stocks or penny stocks. And that's because price action can go against you and the stock might end up getting delisted, and I wouldn't want to see that happen to you. And by the way, if you're watching the video for the first time, please subscribe and hit the bell notification for future videos. But before I log in to my Thinkorswim app, do understand something? I am not a financial advisor. Do your own due diligence before investing in the stock market or anything for that matter. All right, come on, we got to get logged in. All right, so we all logged in to the Thinkorswim mobile app, and the ticker that I have pulled up is ROBN, which is an ETF for Robinhood. Now, currently, ROBN is trading a little over $32. The technique I'll be using is the cash secured put. I'm going to go to the option chain. Currently, there aren't too many weeks in this option chain, but you see the red flag in the green box. That's the one I'm currently in. That one expires June 20th of 2025. Currently, ROBN trades monthly. The one I'm in, I'm going to get pulled up. So the one I'm in is the $30 strike price. As you see, the bid is $95. The ask is $1.20. As you all know, though, contracts are multiplied by 100. Now, if you look at the delta, it's currently reading 0.2939, but it's going to fluctuate because the market's open. Now, as I previously stated, if you subtract 100 from the first two numbers after the zero, which is 29, that leaves me with a 71% chance of probability. That's a 71% chance that I'll probably be assigned. If you see that yellow dotted line, that's where price action currently is. But I'm okay with being assigned 200 shares of this. So now we'll take a quick look at how much I sold these two contracts for. So as you can see there, ROBN, 2 contracts, the number 2 red. So as you see, my trade price is 80. Now that is times 100, so that's $80, and I have 2 contracts, so I have a premium of $160. Now currently the bid price is $95 and the ask is $1.20, but we're dealing with contracts, so it's times 100. With that said, if you see the right where it says PL day, PL open, it's in red as if I'm down, but it's okay as I do want the shares. And as you just saw a few seconds ago, this ETF is trading at over $32. So the market is paying me $160 to buy it for $30 a share. So here's a couple of ways that this trade can play out. I can just go ahead and ride it out until the 20th of June and hopefully get assigned the shares, or I can buy these contracts back, or I can roll this contract out a little farther in time. Now, currently, I'm not looking to buy these contracts back because the bid price and the ask price is higher than the premium that I received. By the way, if you found value in the content, please like, share, and subscribe. And also, if you're ready to start your investing journey, I have 3 links in the description. One for Webull, one for Robinhood, and one for Moomoo. Any one of those 3, you'll get free stocks from. And free stocks is free money. Now let's return back to the video. Now, you see here where it says roll. I can show you what rolling an option looks like. I'm not going to go through the whole procedure because I don't want to accidentally execute it by accident, but I'll go through some of it. I would press roll. Now you see at the top where the 2 X's are, one says 18th July. The bottom one says 20th June 25. That's the one I actually sold. Now, earlier I showed you that this ticker trades monthly, so if I were to roll this contract out, I would be selling it for the next expiring date, which is the 18th of July. So you see where it's -2 in red, and then that O, that means 2 to open, because I sold 2 contracts. And if I were to roll this, that would be the next available one that I'd be able to roll. I hit the top one, 18th of July. And here where it says edit leg, I'm editing the 2 contracts that I'm currently in for the 18th of July. Now, if I wanted to change the strike, I would be able to do so. I'd hit the arrow to the left because I would want to sell my 2 contracts lower than 30. So say I'd rather sell the $25 strike. I go there and see the bottom where it says action seller open. Go to the bottom of the chain. Excuse me, the bottom of the page. And currently, that's what the market is offering for that $25 strike price. And as you see, the market's open. That's why you see the fluctuation in price. Now, let's say that I was okay with that 0.75. Well, it's fluctuating. We'll hit the review button and see what it looks like. Then the order confirmation page will pop up, and here you see the order details: sell to diagonal ROBN at with the expiry of July 18th, and I would receive for the 2 puts $52 per. And if I was okay with that, I would hit the send button, but I'm gonna let this play out a little bit longer. But pretty much that's how you would execute a cash secure put. Oh, now one other thing though, you see that that's a $30 put, or rather that's a $30 strike price. It is a put, but I had to collateralize $6,000. Now there are some stocks that are less than that are pretty decent, but again, I can't emphasize the fact that if you do not really want to hold any given stock or ETF, you shouldn't do this. You gotta absolutely be okay with being assigned to shares. By the way, this is a great way to earn full-time income with part-time effort. In a nutshell, this can end up with me owning the shares. Now, if I end up owning the shares, I'll do a video on what's called a wheel strategy, where I'll be selling 200 shares to the upside, or I'll be rolling these two contracts till July 18th for a cheaper price. But I'm absolutely not trying to buy these contracts back for a loss. All right, just to reiterate something, this is not financial advice. This is my trading journey. I'm just merely sharing with you my experiences in the stock market. So what did you think? Was the info helpful? If you found value in the content, please like, share, subscribe. Feel free to let me know what you thought in the comment section. Lastly, I'd like to take a second to thank all of you who watched the video. Thank you for sharing your time with me. And if you want to see more content, click up there. Till next video, love you all. Happy trading, be well, and peace.